What's going on, mechanic fam? Today we're doing the most basic of basic dude things. We're making a vegan salad. I know it sounds very fun and amazing.
No, it doesn't.
But stay tuned. Alright, we're back. So today we're making a salad, and it's for one reason only. Like, I try to keep it all legit with you guys and let you guys know 100% how I do things. So I'm a big fan of listening to my body. So certain days I may feel bloated, I may feel tired and weighed down. So what I'll tend to do is I would want to eat raw foods for dinner. So raw vegan foods are, you know, they digest a lot faster. You absorb the actual nutrients from the food directly. So I'm always a big fan for telling people to incorporate some raw foods into their diet, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, if you can get one raw meal a day, especially if you're doing this this journey for health reasons, it will help you out a lot. When I went raw back in, what was that? Over the summer I did a raw challenge. I pretty much finished the whole thing raw, but some days I started eating food after 4 o'clock, so I did the raw to 4 thing. But overall, I did it all day. You know what I'm saying? And I lost about 20 pounds during the challenge. For the most part, it stayed off until I started pigging out and gaming. So gaming is probably one of my biggest problems. When I sit around and game, I'll mindlessly eat a bag of chips or anything that's in front of me. I'll just mindlessly eat it. Excuse me. So, but anyhow, you wanna incorporate some raw meals into your you know, your dinner or your day, shall I say, weekly, daily. Also, big fan of drinking plenty of H2O. I wish I can look at the camera and do this at the same time, but I barely know how to cut. I sounded country as hell just now. I barely know how to cut. So, with your vegetables as well, you're gonna want to rinse them first with some apple cider vinegar is what I choose to rinse my veggies off with. I try to get organic when I can, but like I said, I'm not rich, so I gotta do what I can when I can. You know what I'm saying? I'm making a mess. Throw your little tomatoes up in there. So, not sure how many of you people follow Dr. Sebi. I am a big fan of his work. All the vegetables that I'm eating in this raw salad actually are on Dr. Sebi's list of very healthy superfoods. So there's that little tidbit. And with your salads though, you can add just about whatever you want to it to make it more interesting for you. But I try to get at least one big salad for a meal a week, because salads are, man, they're so important, they're so underrated. I remember when I used to feel sick, like getting a little cold, I would make a salad, and I can feel it working the cold out a lot faster. I don't seem to get colds or sick that often after going vegan. I mean, I used to get probably about 4 or 5 colds a year, but 2018, if I had to guess, I think I might have had 1 viral cold all year, and it didn't really last that long. But I'm a big baby when I get sick though. Whew. I hate being sick so much. You gotta get you an avocado. Like, if you don't have avocados in your salad, man, I don't know what you're doing with yourself. You know what I'm saying? Slice that bad boy on up. So this is not really a recipe video. This is more so, you know, to tell you guys how important it is if you're doing this for a health journey. You know what I'm saying? Also, it's good to know how to make you a nice salad. One of the other things that I love in my salad is hummus, but I don't have any right now. So I keep my avocado in pretty big chunks because that's like my sweet spot. That's my favorite spot. So I got a lot of scraps. You can do a few different things with them depending on what you do. Some people compost their scraps. You can replant your avocado seed. Right now, I'll just move it to the side and let you guys see how beautiful this salad is. You know, a salad like this, when you make it yourself, probably costs you about $4 or so. If you were to go to the store and get this, it'd be like 15 bucks for this salad. Eating healthy is expensive, but my dressing of choice tonight would be the Zesty Italian from Kraft. It happens to be vegan. I also have some blue cheese from Follow Your Heart in the refrigerator right now, but I want something a little lighter. So this is the only thing that wouldn't be on Dr. Sabi's list. But other than that, this is a very good alkaline meal to have. Very electric. You'll feel so rejuvenated after that. And this kind of goes through you, gives you some of your important vitamins and minerals that your body craves for. I will be doing videos coming up real soon on some of the other vital vitamins that you may not be getting when you transition to a vegan diet if you're not doing it properly, like iron, iodine, the vitamin B12. There's a couple of other ones that some people seem to never really get. Also suggest, you know, seeing your doctor about once a year or so, just to get a physical, get your blood work done, make sure everything's good with you. But as the saying says, eat grass, not ass. Please subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow for another video. We're almost to Veganuary, and I'm so proud of you guys. Like, come on now, Veganuary? What? You didn't even think you could do this. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're really doing this though. I'm proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow.